Well, greetings, interwebs. Before we get going, let's break this down. This is going to be a very different kind of week. I'm starting a brand new job this week, so I'm going to be doing that all day. My daughter is graduating high school this week, so I've got the baccalaureate mass to go to, of course, graduation itself, and lots of little things going on at the house. But of course, I'm not going to be there during the day to film them, so I'll just be picking up the aftermath. But we are, that close. The new house, probably not this week, but definitely by the end of next week, we'll be in the house. So, yeah, it's kind of a last minute scramble now, house and videos. So, bear with me. See you in a minute. Well, good morning, interwebs. As you can see, it is dark 30. I am on my way into town, my first day, my new job. Level 2 support analyst at a aerospace company up in town. I'll let you know how things go when I get off work today. Stand by. At least my little Datsun gets really good gas mileage. I'd hate to try to do this drive every day in the truck, like I used to do. The truck gets 10, this gets 40. Well, the drive into Jacksonville was surprisingly easy. Only took a few minutes, no traffic, and I was pretty careful to just go the speed limit. I wanted to see exactly how long it was going to be. I didn't speed, didn't drive maniacally, drove very normal with the cruise control. Little Datsun got really good gas mileage, and with no traffic, it was an easy trip. Now, waiting on the guy that's going to show me around. The drive home should be a lot longer, because 4 o'clock, a lot more traffic. So we'll see. Stand by.
8 hours later. Tomorrow.
Well, I got my gas stove installed. Gas guy came out, ran the gas line, and there you have it. I now have a proper gas stove in my kitchen. Happy, happy, joy, joy. They left a little bit of a mess, but the installation guys came, so all that blown in insulation is up in the attic now, so that's done. Yep, things are moving quickly now.
tomorrow for sure.
Well, I have a lawn, mostly. The backyard ain't quite finished yet. I'm assuming they'll come tomorrow and finish it up. Front's all done. It's all looking really good. Kind of dry, but you know, a lot of water. It'll take. There's also more appliances now. There's the dishwasher and microwave. They'll be installed at some point. But there, of course, is the stove, and now the fridge. This is a big one. Ryan managed to get all matching appliances because I told him my stove is a GE. I wanted all black appliances. Well, since the stove's a GE, he went out and got all GE appliances. So it all matches. And this is a humdinger of a fridge. It's nice and big.
One shift later.
We have a little more going on today. Microwave was installed. Goes nicely over there. The dishwasher. It was set in place, but it's not installed yet. The plumber's going to have to come back and hook everything up. And I guess there'll be a trim piece. Goes over the top. Oh, we'll see. But yeah, more and more is coming together every day. I am a little worried about my grass outside, though. It's awfully brown because it's really hot and dry. It needs a good watering. We really could use some rain. And true to form, dishwasher GE. Of course, my stove is a GE. Microwave is a GE. And the fridge. Yep, got all matching black appliances. Well, I can't wait to start making cooking videos. Well, greetings, interwebs. As you can see, things are progressing nicely. I'm not so sure about Ryan's maybe ambitious goal of being done by the end of the week. It's already Wednesday and there's still a lot to go. So we just keep plugging away. Tell you, I can't tell you how anxious I am to actually get in my new house. Sleep on a bed. You know, but you know, they say patience is a virtue. I guess I'm not a very virtuous person.
Alicia Marie Horton, Sumo. Oliver Luke Howard. Cole Allen Emrich, summa cum laude.
Later. Early the next morning.
Well, here's the latest development. Guy came today, got all the shelving done. See all my closets. I have shelving now. That's kind of neat. And now I do the shelving, put in the towel grab bar, the toilet paper holder, and mirrors. So yeah, things are coming along nicely. I'm going here into Alicia's room. Yep, see? I know this may seem like just a little thing, but got shelving in my big closet. And the master bathroom has a big, huge mirror. Hey, fat guy. And the towel bar and toilet paper holder. So yeah, there you have it. It's getting close. Okay, landscaping guys came out. Got the rest of the backyard done. It's all the way up. Oh, even they got around the fence, or around the trees. I mean, they got all the way right up to the fence. They cleaned all that mess off. And apparently, the guy that owns the property next door is a little upset that we cleaned everything up.
Say what?
So, I don't know. I'll get in touch with him, trying to sort it out. But yeah, we're... next week we should be done and moving in. Well, everybody's ready for a nice long Memorial Day weekend. You can see, grass is all in. I got sprinklers going. Hope it's a nice, peaceful, long, enjoyable weekend. I'm gonna try and enjoy it. I looked up the official University of Florida recommendations for watering new sod. It said 15 minutes a day, or 15 minutes twice a day. So I'll let it run each area for 15 minutes, and I'll shut it all down, and I'll come back later at the end of the day and do it again. Do it again tomorrow, well, after church, so at least once tomorrow. And then Monday's a holiday, so yeah, twice Monday. And then again every afternoon when I get off work, I'll come by and run it. And the roots should set in nicely after that. And then by the end of next week, I should live here, and that shouldn't be an issue after that.
Epilogue.
Well, greetings, interwebs. Man, what a week it has been. My daughter graduated high school, summa cum laude, a 4.25 GPA, National Honor Society, all kind of state championships in weightlifting and track and field, and she's just all around awesome. The world, as they say, will be her oyster. As far as the house, yeah, we got the appliances in, the landscaping's done, it's all grassed over, sodded over, I guess I should say. Most of the shelves, the mirrors, all that, most everything's done. Just got a few little things to go next week, and then we can move in. It's expected that we'll be moving in by the end of next week. So, yeah, this is it. We're ready to roll on this bumpy road. So, good seeing you.